How's it going?
Hi, I am good. Thanks. I really want to learn English better. Do you have any tips?
Sure thing. First, try to read English books or articles. It helps a lot.
That sounds good, but sometimes I don't understand everything I read.
Don't worry. When you find a word you don't know, look it up in the dictionary. It helps to learn new words.
Oh, I see. What else can I do?
Watching English movies or TV shows with subtitles can be helpful too. You can listen and read at the same time.
That's a great idea. I will give it a try. But what about speaking?
Practice speaking English with friends or even by yourself. You can talk about anything your day, your hobbies, anything you like.
That makes sense. I'll try to speak more often.
Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of learning. Just keep practicing, and you'll improve over time.
Thanks for the advice. I will work hard to improve my English skills.
You are welcome. I am here to help anytime you need it.
Do you think joining an English class would help?
Yeah, it could be a good idea. Classes can provide structure and guidance, and you can practice speaking with classmates too.
That sounds encouraging. But what if I can't afford classes?
No worries. There are lots of free resources online, like language learning websites and YouTube channels. You can find grammar lessons, vocabulary exercises, and even language exchange platforms where you can practice with native speakers for free.
That's awesome. I will definitely check those out. Thanks for the suggestions.
Anytime, just remember to stay consistent and patient. Learning a new language takes time, but as long as you keep practicing and staying motivated, you'll get better and better.
I appreciate your support. I am feeling more confident already. Let's keep encouraging each other on this language learning journey.
Absolutely. We've got this.
You know, sometimes I feel embarrassed when I speak English because I am afraid of making mistakes in front of others.
I totally understand how you feel. But remember, everyone makes mistakes when learning something new, especially a language. It's all part of the process, and it's okay to stumble along the way.
Thanks for being so understanding. I guess I just need to overcome my fear and keep practicing.
Exactly. And remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. And if you ever need someone to practice with or just to cheer you on, I'm here for you.
That means a lot to me. I am lucky to have a supportive friend like you.
Aw, shucks. The feeling's mutual. We'll help each other reach our language goals, one step at a time.
Absolutely. Together, we will become fluent English speakers in no time. Let's do this. You know, I have been thinking about visiting an English speaking country to immerse myself in the language. Do you think it's a good idea?
That sounds like an amazing idea. Immersion is one of the best ways to improve your language skills quickly. Plus, you'll get to experience a new culture and make friends from all over the world.
Yeah, I think it would be a really valuable experience, but I am a bit nervous about traveling alone to a foreign country.
It's natural to feel nervous, but it's also an opportunity for personal growth and adventure. You could join language exchange programs or even stay with a host family to make the experience more comfortable and enriching.
That's a great suggestion. I'll look into those options. Thanks for the encouragement.
Of course, I believe in you, and I know you will thrive wherever you go. And just think, when you come back, you'll be even more confident in your English skills.
Thanks for believing in me. With your support and encouragement, I feel more motivated than ever to pursue my language learning goals.
Anytime, buddy. We are in this together. Let's keep pushing each other to reach new heights.
You know, I have been trying to find some English speaking clubs or events in our city. I think it would be a fun way to practice speaking with others.
That's a fantastic idea. There are often language exchange meetups or conversation groups where people gather to practice speaking different languages. It's a great way to meet new people and improve your English skills in a relaxed setting.
Yeah, I have heard about those meetups. I will definitely look into joining on. It would be nice to connect with others who are also learn or fluent in English.
Definitely. Plus, you can share tips and resources with each other, and maybe even make some new friends along the way.
I am excited to give it a try. Thanks for always being so supportive and encouraging.
Of course, that's what friends are for. Together, we'll conquer English and beyond.
Absolutely. Here's to our language learning journey and all the adventures ahead. Cheers. Hey, I have been using some language learning apps on my phone to practice English. They have games, quizzes, and even daily lessons. Have you tried any of them?
Oh, that's cool. I haven't tried any language learning apps yet, but it sounds like a fun way to practice on the go. Which one do you recommend?
I have been using one called Duolingo, and it's been pretty helpful so far. It's easy to use, and the lessons are a bit seized, so I can fit them into my schedule easily.
Nice. I'll definitely check it out. It sounds like a convenient way to supplement my learning outside of class or studying.
Yeah, give it a try. And if you find any other good apps, let me know. It's always helpful to have multiple resources to practice with.
Will do. Thanks for the recommendation. Together with these apps, our classes, and our conversations, we'll become fluent English speakers in no time.
Absolutely. Let's keep supporting each other and celebrating our progress along the way. We have got this. You know, I have also been thinking about writing in English more often. Maybe starting a journal or writing short stories.
That's a fantastic idea. Writing is a great way to practice your grammar, vocabulary, and overall language skills. Plus, it's a creative outlet too.
Yeah, I think it would be a fun way to express myself and track my progress over time. Plus, I could always ask you to proofread my writing for any mistakes.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help. And who knows, maybe one day you'll even become a famous English writer.
Haha, you never know. But seriously, thanks for always being so supportive and encouraging. It really means a lot to me.
Anytime, friend, we're in this together, through the ups and downs of language learning. Let's keep pushing each other towards fluency and beyond.
Definitely, with your support and encouragement, I know we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Here's to our language learning journey and all the adventures ahead.
Cheers to that. Let's make every day count and continue growing together.
Okay, friend, now I need to go. See you tomorrow.
Okay, take care.